And here's our cake batter, now containing raw egg yolk. Raw egg whites are in this bowl, and this is when you're going to need your whisk, which is this annoying piece of metal with a bunch of wires on the end. Why am I showing it over 3 different bowls? It is this thing. What I'm going to do is use the whisk, not the blender, to whisk those egg whites until they form some kind of stiff foam. There's no sugar added, we're not making a meringue. We just want to get some air into there and then fold that foam into this goop, not blend it in. You can use the blender on this to make it smooth, which might be a good idea if you're making very small cakes, because some of these are quite big pieces of almond there. I'm not going to bother, just so I don't get sticky raw egg and slowly congealing chocolate all over my blender. But if you blend in the egg whites, you're likely to destroy all the bubbles and chop them up too fine, so I'm going to whisk them by hand and fold them in by hand using the sticky messy spoon. This then becomes the batter for the cake bases. That will go into all of those little paper dishes and back into the oven, which has to be turned up to do that. So at that point I'm going to have to take bowl B out of the oven before I turn it up, so that I don't murder the chocolate that's in bowl B waiting to be used for the toppings.